Hey, what's up, guys? Exclusive to that convention, got collectibles. I have a package today. Thought I'd go ahead and share it with you guys and see what we get. It's a big box. I'm a little nervous. Just down here. Let's see. Is this one thing or a bunch of little things? I don't know. This is pretty cool. Alright, this is something that Rachel's been wanting and asking for. And so I ended up finding this on eBay. That is a remote control Grogu. Does wheelies and spins. Okay. But having one, playing by yourself isn't very fun. So I also purchased the Razor Crest Mandalorian. And so now the two of us can race around the house. That's right. That's how we roll. So awesome mail day. She's gonna love this. Her birthday's in a couple weeks. I could put it away, even though she knows about it. But if she finds out that I have them, she's gonna want to play around immediately. So I don't know. Maybe I'll save it. Maybe I won't. We'll find out. So anyway, I'm sure I'll update this later with another video of us playing, chasing each other around the house. So anyway, that's gonna do it for today, guys. And until the next one, thanks so much for watching.